Are you tired of scrolling through your Instagram feed and seeing all those carousels you liked but no longer want in your feed? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to unlike all those carousels on Instagram on your PC with the new update. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, look for the More icon or the three dots at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu options. This will take you to a page where you can see all your interactions on Instagram. Now, scroll down to the Likes section and find the carousels you have liked. Click on Select to start unliking them. You can select all the carousels you want to unlike by clicking on them. Once you have selected all the ones you want to remove, click on the Unlike button. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to unlike these carousels. Confirm the step by clicking Yes, and voila! You have successfully unliked all the carousels you no longer want in your feed. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to clean up your Instagram feed and unlike all those carousels you regret liking. Give it a try and let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching.